Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to duplicate CapCut clips. So this is a very easy tutorial. First is you just have to simply open your CapCut and then import the video or videos that you wanted to duplicate clips. And then drag the video here or videos here. And then let's just say you wanted to simply duplicate the very first part of your video. All you have to do is to simply tap that specific area where you want to end the video and then duplicate it. For example, this part. Now tap split and click the video or this section right here. Right click, click copy. Let's just say you just want to duplicate here. Right click again, paste, and then insert the video here. And then if you want to duplicate it again, just right click and then paste. You can also do Control C, okay, and then Control V. Let's just say you want to duplicate that part to this area. Make sure the line is up here and then Control V. So as you can see, I have duplicated that clip, but I put it in the very last or the ending of the video. So you can do it again and again, just Control C the clip and then Control V, or right click, Control copy, and then right click again and then paste, and then insert these clips here. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.